Okay, we're going to go through the final exercise of lesson 13. I'm calling this the mac and cheese problem. The first thing I want to review is that in a table like this, the first column is X, the second column is Y, and in this case, they're asking us to add together the noodles and the cheese to get the total in the pan. So the first thing we need to review is that to find the constant, we do Y divided by X. So I'm going to look at this table and I'm going to find where do I have both Y and X. I have it right here. So I am going to use these to find K. K is 3/4 divided by 3. And I need to rewrite that division as 3/4 times 1/3. The 3's cancel out, and I get 1/4. So I know that K equals 1/4. Once I know that K equals 1/4, I can write my equation, Y equals 1/4 X. Or if I want to name these a little bit more clearly for this problem, I can make X N for noodles and Y C for cheese. So C equals 1/4 N. Now, that will help me solve this one right here. How do I find the amount of cheese? I do 1/4 times the noodles. So 1/4 times 2/3. The 2 and the 4 I can cross cancel, and that gives me 1/6. You can use the same process to fill in this box on your own. Then, if I look at this equation, I can also realize that to find n, I would need to divide by 1/4 to solve for n. And if I divide by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I would multiply on the other side. So n would equal 4 times c. I can use that to solve this one. If I know the cheese is 1/4, then I can do n equals 4 times 1/4. These cross cancel, and I get 1 as my answer. Now, I can also fill in the totals now by adding these together. Just 3 plus 3/4, 3 and 3/4. Make this one 4/6. So they have common denominators. Add across. Add your answer here. Now I have to figure out how to solve these. So on this one, I have 5. I know that 4 times the cheese equals n. And then I need that cheese plus that to equal 5. Well, it's 4. So if I do 4 times 1, that would be 4. So my noodles could be 4. Oh, I'm sorry. My noodles could be 4. And then 4 times 1, the cheese is 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so I've solved that one. Now, how do I solve this last one? And it is the same thing. I've realized now what is the relationship between this 1 and this 5? I can divide 5 by what to get 1? 5 divided by 5. So to solve this last one, to get this number right here, I am going to do 5 and 5/8 divided by 5. That becomes 5/1. 8 times 5, 40 plus 5, 45. 45/8 times 1/5. You can solve to get this box. You can add to find the rest of the totals. You can subtract or use your n equals to fill in this box and finish this table for today's assignment.